Over 100 years ago, 8 churches came together to form Brotherhood Mutual, and the whole purpose was to make sure that we could support the ministry of the church so that it would never be restricted or shut down because of a fire or a loss. Since 2007, we've put on 2 primary editions, and we've more than doubled our square footage, and the truth is we've more than doubled our business.
MKS's design build process is a lot different because they incorporate the contractors, the architect, and the contractors actually out in the field.
I think one of the greatest values we got was during the planning phase, because the MKS team sat down not just with me or my leadership team, but really with our entire building committee, and sat down to really understand the whole vision of what we were trying to accomplish.
The pre-planning process really allowed us to know where the budget was, being able to talk it out with them as opposed to seeing a set of drawings and getting into construction and seeing that something doesn't work. Those pre-planning meetings are very, very beneficial to us.
Once we got working with MKS, we were amazed at how they could pull the construction teams together, the architect, and also the in-field contractors during construction. Everyone was important.
As the project's going on, I don't have to watch for cost overruns because I know we've done a significant amount of planning up front. The project will run smooth and on time and on budget.
Everything in our facility is holding up very well. Our floor placement on our electrical outlets worked out unbelievably well. Our cubicles lined up on our electrical connection points. We really appreciate the oak work throughout the entire facility. They wanted to carry that through from the original building, and they really did a magnificent job with some of the things we requested during the construction project. Was the studio, an AV studio, which turned out phenomenal. I mean, they took the time to research the project. It actually exceeded our expectations.
We enjoy working with them, and the quality and work that they bring will enable us to continue to grow here in Fort Wayne. I've recommended them to several people. You know, if we have a project, big or small, I call them without any estimate because I know they're going to give me a fair value. They're going to bring in the right contractors, and it's going to be done right. I really appreciate that about them.
I would definitely recommend MKS if you're doing a design build project. They have done a fabulous job for us, and they've really been there throughout the whole process to make sure we ended up with what we needed.